Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the memory card holder on Microsoft Surface Go 2 tablet. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The most crucial part of tablet repair is proper heating to separate the screen from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. To remove the screen on Surface Go 2, heat the front side of the screen. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool or triangular pickers and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling. Flex cables are attached to the logic board. Next, gently lift the screen and move it upwards on the table. Next, undo two screws to unplug the battery connector. Next, flip the LCD screen assembly. Next, take out the connector bracket. Next, disconnect the LCD connector by lifting the lever. Now, you can free the screen from the body. Next, clean the frame edges for unwanted adhesive parts. Next, take out the not working memory card holder from the body. First, take out the bottom right shield. Next, lift the lever and gently pull out the flex cable. Next, undo two screws securing the memory card holder. Next, gently pry out the not working memory card holder from the body. And also, if needed, can take out the memory card flex cable by lifting the lever. Next, place the new memory card holder on the body and then secure two screws. Next, insert the cable and secure the lever. Next, secure the shield. Next, secure the LCD screen connector to the board and then the bracket. Next, secure the battery connector by adding 2 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. Once the testing has passed, add new adhesive or glue to secure the screen to the body. For this, you can use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. To install the screen, slide in the screen from the bottom to the top. Gently secure the screen edges. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Next, add some binding clips or rubber bands to tighten the screen to the frame. Leave it for some time and remove it. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.